Do you want to recite the Quran beautifully? Are you facing difficulty reading the Quran fluently? Do you want your kids to read in front of you at home? Are you finding an online Quran tutor? So welcome to Bismillah Quran Academy. We are teaching Quran online since 2010. We provide free trail classes so you can check our services. Our courses include Noorani Qaida, course Quran reading with tajweed, Quran memorization course, Quran translation course, Quran tafsir course, Quran ijazah course, Arabic language course. We use Skype and Zoom for classes. We are available 24/7. You can choose time and day according to your availability. We have both qualified and experienced male and female teachers. We provide services in USA, Canada, UK, Australia, New Zealand, Italy, Scotland, Germany, Netherlands, etc. You can search our website www.bismillahquranacademy.com. For more detail, you can contact us on WhatsApp or call. For Pakistan, +923443EV79122. For UK, +447747369659. For USA, +8T82061079.